Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Today I will do just a quick tutorial showing how you guys can do open Binance testing or demo. So basically, for you to register, again, as I gave the link, it is testnet.binancefuture.com testnet. I will put the link somewhere on the description of the video, so you will be able to get the link to get it and then use it. So as soon as you click on the link, this platform will open. Bear in mind that this is not ready. I believe Binance teams, engineering teams, they're still working on this, or they're building something better. I already registered on this, but because I did this video to show how to register and work with, work not properly because I haven't yet given it a go, so I don't know yet how to work it with 100%, but I'm showing how you register. So you follow the link and then click on register now. You open this. Probably if you already registered with the Binance, you will you might be using the same username and password you have on your official Binance account. It's up to you. I prefer to use the same thing, but not the same password, but at least the same email. You put your email, you create your password. I'm just making a random because I'm not registering myself. I'm just like showing you the way. So then you create the account. They will send you a link to your no, don't never save, to your email. So then you go on your email and then you have to verify it. And then on your email, there will be a link where you will click and that will forward you to open. I will go to my link just to simulate what happened to me. I'll go to my link, the link that was sent to me. Gmail, Binance. Confirm registration, and then you will click in the link, something like that, or a button where you're gonna verify email, and then when you click here, this for me comes activation failed because it was already used it, so it won't work for me, of course. But for you, you will say account activated successfully, and that's gonna be green. So expect to receive an email like this, and then you will be able to log in. Like for me, for instance, here, I'm able to log in. Yeah, as you can see, I'm already logged in on this one, and they will make a deposit of 10,000 Tether on your demo account for you to trade and train. So this is Tether. You can, if you I'm not sure what I'm doing here anyway, so yeah, I will need to play around with this when I have time to start training on trading on Binance. So and then pretty sure I will start making more videos to show how am I trading crypto using this demo, and probably I will also continue searching if there is a better solution provided by Binance or any provider for demo trading on crypto. Thank you guys for coming. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.